Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to share with you my next coin. Besides the Morgan dollar, I also order peace dollar from US Mint. So there's a lot of difference between Morgan dollar and peace dollar. Basically, peace dollar is a replacement of Morgan dollar, where I think peace dollar they start to replace Morgan dollar is 1921 after World War II. Okay, so this replaced Morgan dollar until I think 1940 something. Okay, so for peace dollar, it is minted in Philadelphia. So this is the product code 21XH. So I'm going to show you through the coin. So like a normal US Mint coin, just slit the box open. Nothing special about the US Mint box for this year. When this coin reach Malaysia, the coin is intact. The coin does not pop out from its place, so it's really intact. Okay, so I'm going to show you the certificate of authenticity first. Okay, so for peace dollar there's no mint mark, and this coin is also pure silver, which 0.8 troy ounce. And if I'm not mistaken, the original peace dollar is not pure silver. Okay, and the designer of this coin is Anthony de Francisci. And this coin also, in order to mint this coin, they need to get some approval from the Congress and also from the President of the United States of America. Okay, so I'm going to share with you the coin. This coin is really nice. The design is a bit different compared to Morgan dollar. So there's a crown. The lady is wearing a crown. In God We Trust 2021. Okay, at the bottom there is not a mint mark. It's not a mint mark. Okay, this is an eagle. This is $1 with a piece at the bottom. Really nice coin. Luckily that this coin is not damaged, because from the YouTube review I can see a lot of complaint about the quality of the shipping of the packaging, that I'm surprised that my coin arrived in Malaysia without any damage. So I'm going to send this to NGC as well for grading. Really nice coin. Maybe I'm going to do separate video in detail afterwards, after I do some research on the history of this coin. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. Just hit subscribe and share button to share this beauty to your friends and family. Okay, have a nice day and see ya.